Hi folks, I'm Samik and I've created a 30-day SaaS crash course on idea to launch. So I have told you like how to use AI and how to use prompt to build your basic landing pages, amazing landing pages and complex applications with database that collect email APIs and a lot of things. I've gone a lot of technical details, but at the same time, I have also told about the analytics tools which you should use and how to authenticate and a basic thing a beginner need to get started. Now today is the day 30 and today we are going to talk about what should be your launch strategy and where should you launch if you don't have any followers or if you are just getting started to see. So I'm not an expert. I've not done many great things, but I have achieved some of the little things which you can aspire to do it in your first day or in the first week itself. So let's get started and see which things have clicked and which things have not clicked for me. So our first platform is Reddit. So if you are anonymous and if you don't know how to do things, like if you are new to this and you don't know where to start, my suggestion would be to go to Reddit and get started. Why Reddit? See, the first post which I made in Reddit, and not it not and it, this is not because of my first post, but because of the subreddit I chose. I have given, like, you can see the title, and I had made this free application. I just wanted to check how Reddit works, and to my amazement, like in the first 24 hours I got around 20,000 views. I got amazing comments. I got a lot of views in my GitHub repository. Some people have like starred it. Also, I have got a lot of views in my YouTube videos, which is not enough according to the industry standard, but it was for me because I didn't expect anything. So it was all without any expectation, and I at that time I had zero karma. So it is not about where, like, what you post in Reddit, it's about where you post. So this subreddit of Mac apps, it is built for Mac apps. So you can actually promote your application, but they have some rules. So you can read about community guide, and also you can read like what are the rules and all. So limited self promotion and all, and what are the Reddit rules. So every community, every subreddit has its own rule. So you can read it and you can promote it. So obviously it is not for everyone, but if I am building Mac application, then this subreddit will work. And in Twitter also, I've seen that many people have commented that subreddit of hire makers do work, and some people had built a business also. So this is the first place you can go, and the second strategy is like by hook and crook. So you can say this is my Threads account. So at that time, I was using like one scheduling platform, and I was posting my same content to Instagram, like not Instagram, same content to Threads, same content to Twitter, same content to LinkedIn. And to my surprise, Twitter and Threads, I should have focused. LinkedIn is not for me because I was focusing on B2C apps, and I felt that my network, which is already there in LinkedIn, it is not breaking out of that network. But in Twitter and Threads, it is purely new account and it is random, so it is suggesting to my target audiences. So that's what I have noticed. Now I am only focusing on Twitter right now, but my first sale which I have got, that was because from Threads, and again I was posting it the same content everywhere. Like I was posting the same content in Reddit, same content in Twitter, same content in LinkedIn, same content on YouTube, same content in Threads if it is a video content. Otherwise, if it is not a video content, then according to, like, if it is image and caption content, then LinkedIn, Threads, Twitter is my go-to platform, and that is how I did. And this particular post, which you can see, which kind of went viral in Threads because I I'm not used to get likes and used to get comments, and Threads is again very silent in my opinion. So I got, like, you can see, 27 likes from one comment. Again, this is for me, one repost, three shares, and this kind of went viral. And this had made me sale in 24 hours. And till date, I'm getting all these sales. So if I show my dream dashboard, whether I can show you or not, let me see. So you can see that I can show, and if I go to panels or analytics, I think it should be analytics. So you can see I've accumulated $21 in revenue, and again, like, I made only three sales in 3 months. Again, the same customer is just recurring that particular subscription, and I'm not even sure why is he promoting, like why is he giving me the money, but I think it is a fluke. But in my opinion, I just tried everything, and that's why I got one sale. That's why you can see in the Reddit I got 33,000 views. And when I tried to launch the same application like Map Your Ideas again in Reddit, it got flopped. I got backfired. So Reddit is brutal if your product doesn't stand a chance. So be aware of that. If it is good, then it will go viral in Reddit. That's my probability, that's my prediction. So if you have built something cool, something amazing which is not there in the market, then probably it will go viral in Reddit, and don't focus on Twitter right now. So if you have an audience in Twitter, you can focus in Twitter. So I will tell you where Twitter is good. So if you have an audience, there Twitter is better. But if you don't have an audience, then you will get tired, you will get burnt out in Twitter if you just try to do marketing. Again, Twitter doesn't work for everyone. Obviously, it doesn't work for me. I don't understand Twitter platform very much. And I was not using Twitter like a pro earlier, but now I'm just getting comfortable with the platform. I'm just seeing what type of content gets viral, what type of content get promoted, what type of content people actually like. So Twitter promotes like the content in Twitter, like it gets promoted only when it is cool, not by the potential. So you have to share your MRR screenshot, you have to share your revenue screenshots. For example, I made one sale. So if I share this particular revenue dashboard, the probability of this particular getting more views, because people just like seeing numbers. So if you are playing with numbers, then go for Twitter. Probability is that it will go viral. And if it is again a new account, try communities like build in public, cursor, if it is related to cursor. Or so I will just show you what I mean, what communities are there. So I think I can show you or not. So you can say this is a build in public community. Here you can not say it because I've used one extension. So I just don't use social media a lot. I just like do my work, then again focus on using it. So I just cool off this particular time, and you can see, well, like the content creators are just getting in my feed, and you can see the things. And again, if you go to build in public, this is where you should actually get started, in my opinion, because I have seen that whenever I post in communities, I get more views compared to when I post in my feed, and I also get followers when I post directly into communities, because this get reach. So that is what I believe in that. And you can see I've like subscribed to many communities, but in my opinion, build in public and cursor are the ones which gets you views. So you can try that. And how to do that? So for example, if I go here, you can see you can choose the communities directly. So I am again building a tool which can schedule in the communities directly. So if you want the open source code, you can get in the GitHub. Also, I've covered the video on that too. So again, I just build tools which really helps me as a solopreneur. So that was my initial focus every time. So the main point is start with Reddit, then expand to Threads, LinkedIn, Twitter if you get the time. And once you get some success stories in Reddit, use that success stories in Twitter to get followers, and eventually repeat the cycle, and eventually you will reach to some point where you can do marketing not marketing in Twitter, like you can make everyone aware. So in my opinion, marketing is something like you are building a coolest thing. You're building the coolest chatbot, you're building the coolest software, but you are building it for your own use case and you want to share it to people. The only way to get shared to many people, either you run organic, either you run paid ads. So my approach, like I don't have many budget, so my approach is always go organic, so that you get the real feedback from the customer and you really know whether you should expand or not initially. Like it is great for MVP testing, and again it is very brutal at the same time. So that's why do the Reddit, repeat the cycle, get some wins, share the screenshot, get some following. Like Twitter's audience is directly reliable. For example, I got 33,000 views here. If I get the same 33,000 views in Twitter, the probability of people converting is much higher. So that is, in my opinion, like obviously if I follow someone, for example, I'm following Pauline, Rob, if they sell something and if I have the budget, I would probably go into their platform and buy that subscription or that particular plan they are offering, because I trust them and I know they're solving problem related to the India hackers or very similar to what I need. So again, this is how the psychology works. And again, I only know them when they are like sharing their wins, they're doing some coolest things. So that is the one thing which you can do. So again, suck at Twitter, I suck at YouTube, I suck at Threads, but Reddit is something where you can do anonymous. Now, which topics which I have not talked about, and that is TikTok and SEO. So TikTok Reels and SEO. So what I've observed, like for my own YouTube channel, I've tried this experiment. So I was creating shorts using tool called Overlap. So I was just trimming my long form video into short form and identifying the hooks, identifying the captions which should go. And what I've observed that the same content which I publish in Reels, which I publish in TikTok, which is published in Reels never got past 500 or 800 views in my opinion, or 200 views in my opinion. But in TikTok, if the content was little bit viral, or if the content was good, it used to get 1000 views, or maybe around 1.5k views, or maybe 800 views. So the views mattered according to the content. So in my opinion, if you are someone who is targeting Gen Zs, then you must be targeting using TikTok. Then my opinion would be, like if you're using short form content, then my opinion would be to use TikTok to market your product. And there are a lot of strategies, there are a lot of gurus who just talk about TikTok. So you can very, like you can see, I stay in India, so TikTok is banned in my country, but I use VPN to post my TikTok. And you can also access your TikTok studio. Like for example, if I go to TikTok studio, for example, okay, so you can see if I go to TikTok studio, it is not banned in India. So you can actually access your TikTok studio. So you can see I have not posted in past 1 month, but I used to post. So if I go to last 60 days and all, so you can see I got 8.4k views, like 51 profile views, 10 comments, 8 shares. I was like, videos were not good, so still I got views. The reason was because TikTok just promotes organic and the low following accounts also, low followers account also. So you can try TikTok. So in my opinion, Reddit and TikTok are similar. If you are anonymous and if your content is good, it the potential of going viral is more compared to Twitter, Reels, Threads, LinkedIn. So again, Threads is again random. So I'm not sure whether we should focus on Threads, but definitely we should focus on Twitter in the start, and then you can expand it to Threads. But for some people, Threads had worked better than TikTok. So it completely depends on your choice, what platform you like, what platform you feel comfortable to. I don't feel comfortable to Instagram, so that's why I don't feel comfortable to Threads, but I've just created an account and I've experimented a lot. Now let's come to SEO. So what I've observed in SEO, so the first, like the blogs which I've written, I didn't get any view until I get view in past few days. So I will just show you my console cloud view, not console, search console I should show you. So if I go here and go to start now, like whatever blogs I've written 3 months or 4 months back, I'm getting views right now. So I think for Map Your Ideas also I've written blogs. So let's go to performance. So you can see in the past 3 months I got 1.9k views. Again, I've written very minimal blogs just with the help of AI to test whether SEO works or not. And you can see it has kind of worked because of the SEO. And again, if you go to 28 days, I got 466 impression, total clicks 1. Again, this is organic, and you can see what queries actually worked and what pages actually got clicked. So again, you can see for the 311, like this particular page, the best open order alternative AM. And I don't know why this content still gets recommended, because it gives, okay, it is not giving 404 error. So earlier it was giving 404. So you can see this particular blog gets impression because people are searching this particular keyword, and I have written a blog on this. So you can see that like how many clicks I'm getting in past 28 days. So this is not a great performance, I would say, but like again, I was experimenting things, so this is it. And again, for one of my own portfolio website, I have like tried a lot of SEO there. So you can see I've written a lot of blogs, and you can see I've literally got some clicks also. So this is really great in my opinion. And if I go to 7 days, I think I got 2 clicks, one for understand NCP like a 5-year-old, and then for person. So this completely depends on your blog and your keywords, like what people are searching. So if you master the keyword research, and if you master what blogs to write, then you will get views, you will get impressions, you will get clicks, and people will eventually see your product. So SEO is the long term game. Twitter is again the long term game. TikTok and Reddit is the short term game. But again, in TikTok, you can build a good following. And this is how I compare, like, this is how you should launch. And you should see whether you want to make quick sales, whether you want to go in the long term. But again, obviously, if you're just getting started, go for the quick term and go for Reddit and TikTok only. at the initial stages. Once you get comfortable, then you can go for other. And what I observed in Product Hunt and other launch platforms, like I've launched in Product Hunt only and not in the other platforms. So I will just comment on the Product Hunt. Like again, Product Hunt is competitive. You get views from Product Hunt, but you don't get subscription. That is what I have observed, even after refining the product a lot. So that is what my observation is. So so this is what I wanted to tell you, like the raw, honest opinion on the launch platforms which I have faced, and that's why I've kept it very raw. So you can just see that, like, you can run AI analysis and understand what I've actually told. So that's it, guys. So that is what I wanted to tell. And tomorrow I will talk about, is building in public really worth it or is it not? So so stay tuned for that video, and I will see you tomorrow. Till then, bye. Take care.